dependable, professional service.
Winter storm warning in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Friday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 6 and 10 inches. Winds could gust as high as 35 miles per hour. Where? Portions of north-central North Dakota through the James River Valley. When? From 6 p.m. this evening to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Friday. The following impacts are expected. Travel will be very difficult. Heavy falling snow in areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions will impact the Friday morning commute. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained by calling 511.
KSJB, the #1 station for all the legends.
Ag Resource Company President Dan Bossie said the biggest surprise in yesterday's supply-demand
corn production somewhere in the range of 3.5 million metric tons. Not as much there, but it's that bean cut that kind of